Hello everyone, and today in this video I'm going to be telling you what are the CSS Pseudo class. So we have already heard of pseudo classes in CSS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use them in your next project. So maybe you have been using them before and maybe you don't just know what are the pseudo class in CSS. Pseudo class are predefined keywords that are used to select an element based on its state or target a specific child. So now let's get started. I created a folder and opening it up inside my Visual Studio Code, and I'm heading over to create my index.html file here now. And then after creating the index.html file, I want to definitely go and create my style.css file. So after creating my CSS styles, I will go back to the HTML file and bring out the normal HTML template. And then after bringing out the normal HTML template, I definitely want to change the title to something relevant to what we are doing currently, pseudo class in CSS. So then the next thing I'm going to do is probably add some headings. I'll add my H1, which says hover on me, and also I will definitely want to add another heading here. So let me go over and copy and paste it again, and then maybe change this over on me after the first one. So this will definitely be I'm going to be hovering, as you know from the word hover. I'm going to be hovering over both the heading 1, which is the first one, and the second one. So now after this, I want to open up this inside my browser and then copy parts. Then I head over to the browser I'm going to be using, which in my own scenario I'm going to be using Chrome browser. So I paste and hit on enter. So you can see the first heading 1 and also the second heading 1 appear. I definitely want to increase their sizes so it's going to look more real to you. So if you don't know how to do that, it's by doing Ctrl and plus. So this is my CSS. I definitely want to link my style with the link tag. You definitely know how to do this. If you don't know how to do this, you can check on my previous video on CSS. So by doing this, I've linked correctly my CSS and selecting H1 using this H1 selector, and then I want to change the color to blue. So if you haven't know how to do this, you can check on my previous CSS courses. I'm going to refresh and you can see all my headings change to blue as expected. So now in this scenario, after showing you this, I definitely want to use the pseudo classes. So I'm going to do H1 and then single colon, and then what is the class I want to add, which is an hover class. So whenever someone hover on the H1 now, what do I want it to happen? What do I want to happen? So I definitely want to pass in some instruction. I want to change the color from blue to red. So whenever someone hover on my heading 1, the color should change to red. And also I want to change the font family. So when someone hover on my heading 1, it's going to change the font family to monospace. Apart from hover, we have other pseudo classes like on click, on focus, and on active, and so many more. But I'm not going to show you that here. My own version is going to show you the on hover effect only. See you in the next one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye bye.